Hello guys, welcome to Ever Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video I want to show you how exactly you can solve this problem, because a lot of traders had this problem. They were saying that they cannot actually withdraw crypto assets from VAR and stuff like that. So in this video I want to show you the full cycle and I'm going to explain how exactly you can do this process. And I understand, of course, you wanted me to do like a live arbitrage video and stuff like that, but well, in this video I'm going to show you clearly and exactly how exactly you can do this. And of course I have my PC right here. I'm gonna speak about these short Bitcoin videos that I always do every day. So if you're a day trader, make sure you watch these videos. I always speak about my long position on Bybit right here. You can see sitting at exactly 78,000 US dollars in profit and trading right here on Bybit. Okay, so if you're a day trader, I recommend that you watch these short videos because all my prediction come to pass. All right, so other than that, right now I'm going to explain about how exactly you can do this crypto arbitrage opportunity if you're living in South Africa. Right, I don't know about all other countries like Nigeria, Pakistan and stuff like that, but in this video I'm focusing on South Africa, right? But other than that, let me show you how exactly you can do this. So make sure you have a Binance account and VAR account if you're living in South Africa, because this video is for South African, right? So if you go to Binance right here, you can see that we have instant deposit on Binance. Okay, so you go to West Region deposit like this, and you can see that we have two options right there. You have crypto and cash. So you go ahead and click West Region cash, and you can see that we have ZAR right here and all other bunch of currencies. All right, so you can actually deposit all these currencies and stuff like that. Just check your country. If you're living in Nigeria, well, then you can actually deposit Nigerian right here. Okay, but other than that, you go ahead to West Region ZAR like this, and then it's going to take you to this page. All right, and as you can see right here, we have South African rand, and you have two options right here, and it's written deposit with recommended, and we have bank transfer, and we have online banking. Okay, bank transfer will take 2 to 3 days for your cash to reflect on Binance, but if you deposit with online banking right here, I think it takes less than 5 minutes. Okay, but right here you can see that it's written real-time payments. Okay, and it's actually 0 transaction fee, so you're not gonna pay anything and your cash is gonna reflect immediately. So you're gonna go ahead and click continue, and then you can see that it's gonna show you a bunch of South African banks. Okay, so this crypto arbitrage opportunity is actually available in South Africa. I don't know about all other countries, but if you're living in South Africa, then this crypto arbitrage opportunity is available right here. So you can see that I have a bunch of South African banks. If you're living in South Africa, then you know very well about these other banks like Capitec, Absa, FNB and stuff like that. So all you have to do is to choose your bank right here and then link this account and make a deposit, and your cash is gonna reflect immediately on Binance. Okay, so once you go to Binance, if you watch my previous video, I spoke about these crypto arbitrage opportunities like Litecoin, XRP and stuff like that. Okay, so let's say you're doing all these crypto arbitrage opportunities and you're making at least a capital of let's say 200 rand and stuff like that. Okay, so you come right here, you buy XRP or Litecoin, and then you send it to VAR right here, VAR crypto exchange, and then you sell it right here. Okay, and after you make some profits right here on VAR, you come to home button and then click where it's written withdraw like this. Okay, and it's gonna ask you wanna withdraw crypto or you wanna withdraw fiat. Okay, and you go ahead to where it's written fiat right there and click ZAR. Okay, anyway, right here you have to turn on this button right here. Okay, where it's written fast withdraw, and this option is gonna let VAR to process your withdrawal faster and stuff like that. Okay, so you can see that you're gonna pay a 60 rand fee right here down here, and this actually takes less than 10 minutes. Okay, so you simply buying crypto assets from Binance, and we saw that there's actually crypto arbitrage opportunity. A lot of people were stuck right here. Okay, so for you to do this crypto arbitrage opportunity, you need to have a bank account, a South African bank account. So let's say if you're living in Nigeria, then I suggest that you can also, maybe you can do an instant deposit maybe in Nigeria, but please let me know your country in the description below, so that we're gonna do a little bit research about your country and find out your suitable crypto arbitrage opportunity. Okay, but other than that, you have to make sure that you turn on this feature right here, and then you're gonna deposit your crypto immediately, and it's gonna reflect in your bank account, and you simply gonna have to do this process again. You deposit to Binance instantly, send it to VAR instantly, and withdraw it instantly right here, right there on VAR again. Okay, but other than that, this is a problem that I wanted to solve. And guys, I want to thank each and every one of you for liking these videos and smashing the like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel. We're on the road to 10K right now. As you can see, we reached 3K subscribers so far, and I want to thank each and every one of you. And guys, I want to announce that right now we have crypto arbitrage scanner app that we have developed, and this crypto arbitrage scanner app is working good so far. I'm not gonna lie. It's giving me at least like 10 to 15% profits from crypto exchanges. Okay, so if you know crypto arbitrage very well, we buy crypto assets from one exchange, and then we send over to another exchange and then sell there at higher price, and this is how we make profit. Okay, but other than that, we have developed an app, and we're gonna launch it soon, and I'm gonna explain more about this app and stuff like that. So if you enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You motivate me to create more content like this and solve a lot of problems that a lot of traders have. But other than that, if you're a day trader, I recommend you that you watch all my short videos. I always record all these videos about Bitcoin and stuff like that, and I'll always predict the Bitcoin price and stuff like that. As you can see right here, we predicted all the way up there, and a lot of traders followed all these predictions, and right now they're in profit. So I didn't close my position right here. You can see trading on Bybit right there. Okay, and this position is still open, and I still have some capital right there. So I think if Bitcoin continue going down, I'm gonna add more capital to this position. And you all know where my stop loss is, right? My stop loss is all the way in profit at the profit of 50K. Okay, so if Bitcoin goes down and my profits right here reaches 50K, I'm gonna close this position in profit. Okay, so this is it. My name is Arthur. I just want to thank each and everyone who is supporting the channel and who is on Telegram and stuff like that. And if you want to take your trading game to another level, then I recommend you that you should go to Heavy Crypto Academy. That's where I reviewed almost all my secrets and stuff like that, and how exactly I made a lot of money on this space. As you can see right here, I still have some capital on my Bybit account right there. So all the secrets and stuff like that. And if you want to use my indicator, of course, it's called Heavy Crypto Indicator. This indicator that I use pretty much to trade on futures trading and stuff like that, including leverage tokens and stuff like that. Okay, so this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll send you the video. Love and peace, my friends.